Hi guys, today I'm doing the cheap art supply challenge again. So I got a 12 pack of gouache from Michael's for like $7.50 and the normal price was $15 I think, but that's still pretty cheap compared to artist quality gouache, which is like $5 or more for just one tube. I'm using these old brushes I've had for a while. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but I've seen them in every art store, and they're not expensive. The paper I'm using is Fabriano hot press watercolor paper, and it was like $5 at Jerry's. And then I also used a red Sharpie and a jelly roll at the end. So I did a tester first just to try and figure out what I was doing, and this gouache was kind of tricky. It was sort of streaky and kind of see-through, and some of the tubes had oil in them. I don't know if they went bad or what, and I'm not a gouache connoisseur so I just could be using it wrong, but I still like how everything turned out. I don't think it's something I'll keep using because I can pretty much get the same look using acrylic inks. Well, I'm going to stop talking now, so I hope you guys liked the video,